Hi, would you like to know if you choose to join recruitment industry, how can you succeed? Then watch this video till end since I am going to share what it takes to be a successful recruiter. Hi, my name is Padma Lohana. I'm a recruiter by passion and profession and founder of HeadsQuest, a global talent solution organization. USP of our company is innovative methods for sourcing. I am now on a mission of helping 100,000 plus people to choose recruitment as a career by design. Along with having the basic skill of good communication, you need to have other 5 important skills to be a successful recruiter. Good rapport building skills. The role of a recruiter involves a lot of interaction with different people, either in person or over call. This role involves showing the opportunity to the candidates, branding your employer, and encouraging the candidates to apply for a particular job. So if you don't have a good rapport building skills, you cannot succeed in this process. Good listening skills. A successful recruiter speaks less and listens more. In order to judge and interview and find out whether this candidate is suitable for a particular role or not, you need to listen what he has to say rather than speak more. Good networking and community building skills. This role requires to source candidate from different sources. And if you have good network in the industry you are recruiting for, then it makes your task very easy because you can explore your network and get the suitable candidates as a click. You need to be a multitasker. Once you are completely into this role, there are different activities that you are doing and in different positions in a single day. For some position you must be sourcing, for some positions you may be scheduling interviews, for some position you will be interviewing the candidates on your own, for some position you will be doing documentation, and with some candidates you will be doing negotiation. So in a day you have to do multiple activities for different roles. So being a multitasker is one of the important skills that you need to learn. Last but not the least, you need to be a quick learner. It is not just one role that you are recruiting for ongoingly. Every day you have a new role to recruit for, and if you're working with a recruitment firm, then you have a new role with a new company and maybe new industry. And learning these different industries, different businesses is a key to your success. So you need to be a quick learner and grasp things soon so that you can meet your timelines. If you want to know how you can develop these skills with respect to the role of a recruiter, then follow me on my social media pages and I will help you out to design your career in recruitment.